Hi everyone. Today we are going to see what are common factors. This is a very important concept. So please stay with me till the end. The definition says that common factors are the factors that are common to two or more numbers. Got it? Example 1. Common factors of 12 and 18. We know that factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Also, factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Observe carefully. Here 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors that are common to both 12 and 18. Therefore, common factors of 12 and 18 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Got it? Example 2. Common factors of 15 and 25. We know that factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Also, factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Observe here 1 and 5 are the factors that are common to both 15 and 25. So, common factors of 15 and 25 are 1 and 5. Got it? Example 3. Common factors of 8, 12 and 20. We know that factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Also, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Also, factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Observe here. 1, 2 and 4 are the factors that are common to 8, 12 and 20. So, common factors of 8, 12 and 20 are 1, 2 and 4. Got it? Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.